guys, very quickly, a summary of what has happened over this year, very quickly, and then we move on to the good stuff. I'm going to give you some spoilers today. I don't want to be stepping on Andreas's toes. I know that he wanted to share so much today, so I'm just going to give you a tiny little spoiler, and I'm going to let him to make all the reviews on Monday. So guys, just to summarize this year so far, we've got a brand new My Performance page that launched this year. We've got the performance pool. We've got my referral link page that has been cleaned up. We've got the account recovery that is working for all the members who still need to re-log in to Super One. We've got a brand new store page with the package, I call them wraps, with the brand new package designs. You've got those 4 colors. You're going to see a lot that we're going to do with those colors as well. We call them stickers as well. We've got the iOS. We're updating the iOS again. Brand new settings page. Very important for what's going to happen early next week. We've got new password rule. All of those things are to protect your accounts and to allow us to increase the balances. Some members have messaged about the withdrawals. That's one of the reasons, that's one of the things that will help us to increase that balance, to make sure that that aspect, for those of you who are holding funds inside of Super One, it's working even more efficiently. Now, on the mini wallet, that came out, 3 versions actually, all at once. We've got 2 more versions that we'll be releasing very, very soon. Guys, okay, so that's, again, that's what has happened. So massive progress for those of you who are getting a little bit impatient and who send messages to us, oh, nothing has happened, there's no progress. Seriously, come on. Those of you who are maybe a little bit fresher, joined in the last 2 or 3 months, you can see what's going on, just how many changes we're making. And this is just the beginning. There's still so much that it's in a development queue that is being tested and it's ready to be pushed out. Now, the token swap, we talked about this. Again, I presented the roadmap a few weeks ago and people said, nothing's been crossed out yet. Guess what? This is live. Go on to Super.one, and you will see in the top right corner that the swap button is live again. And we already have members who have tested it. And as you can see, a testimonial from Dean, super simple, super easy. If you still have your SRX tokens inside of your Ethereum wallet, external Ethereum wallet, and you need to bring them back into your Super One back office, then the process is live right now. You can do it today to keep this will keep our members busy for sure over the next 1 or 2 days. Again, this is for those of you who joined before August last year. And if you haven't done the swap just yet, this is free. As you know, some of you know, we did have this swap process already in place before, but it was longer. It was more comprehensive and kind of confusing at the same time. And back then it cost us money to do the swap. I actually paid, but we decided to remove that because with the Ethereum gas fees transaction on Ethereum network going up and getting higher and higher in terms of fees, we decided, okay, it's costing our members too much money. We pulled that down. We've got this new process that is free. It costs $0 to do this right now. So this is already live. You can do this. You can go on a main website, or you can just go to token.super.one, get this thing going. Make sure that your tokens are back in your Super One back office. That's already live. That's already live, and you can be sure that you share it with other members. Early next week, we've got the brand new sign-up pages that are coming up that many people have messaged us about, that if we could make some improvements on a sign-up page, just so that, I will explain that in a second actually. Brand new login pages. And we've got this massive, massive thing that the team has worked very hard on, 2-step verification, 2-factor authentication. Some people call it the same thing. Very, very important. Now, the new sign-up page, you will see during the sign-up process who you are signing up under. Very, very important. Straight away. It happens so many times that people just, okay, who's my sponsor? Right now, the back office is not showing this information. It will very soon. We already have another design that will give you that information. 2 actually. In 2 places you will see that. But already from early next week, you're going to see exactly who your sponsor is if you haven't signed up just yet. So you will see that. You will see the referral name in the box, and just above you will see an actual name from the back office. So that's a big positive change. We've got the new login page. We're now using something that you see on many cryptocurrency exchanges, especially the setup that we call a tab switch, where instead of clicking somewhere and seeing a completely different page, in order to change from email to phone to login and sign up, you would just have those two at the very top, email, phone. And if you want to log in or sign up using phone or email, you would just quickly click on one or the other. We do a lot of things to simplify, to make the whole process of signing up, onboarding, even purchasing packages, that is coming. We're shortening that path. We're making those pages easier and more intuitive, just to make it easier for many members. So that's what's coming. Two-step verification for 4 things: for login, withdrawals, transfers, as well as changing phone. Massive feature. Again, this is for early supporters of Super One. Some people have opened up several accounts, they linked them all together, and now they want to be separating and passing those accounts on to other members who are joining them. They asked us, can I change the phone and email myself? We didn't have that. We are going to have that early next week because of this 2-step verification process. Because again, many things that we do here is to secure your account, to make sure that your funds are safe and also your account is safe. That's why we didn't allow members to do it before, but now with 2-step verification, we will. So you're gonna see these pages like a lot of the things that you'll be doing inside of your back office. You're gonna see this page on your phone, a similar page on a desktop or laptop, where you will be verifying. You will be deciding, first of all, how you want to authenticate, whether you want to receive this 6-digit code onto your email or phone. You will be able to select in most cases where it makes sense. Sometimes we are restricted to email only if you're looking to change email or phone only. But in most cases, you're going to see 2 options if you have both of them enabled. Massive thing. Many people have asked for it. This is coming early next week. It could be Monday, it could be Tuesday. You're going to see that out. Now, the upcoming March releases after that, of course, we've got the last 2 pieces of the mini wallet that will complete that whole mini wallet section that we've put so much time into. Massive additions to the mini wallet and a personal team. And also something that our UK members and the US, of course, now Canada members, especially have told us a lot about. We've received a lot of messages that in the UK, for example, around midnight, they see that the system is kind of slows down. That's because we are syncing our databases. And sometimes this process could take about an hour, sometimes a little bit more. So there's a massive focus now. And of course, for the US, it's between 4 in the afternoon and 7, 8 in the afternoon. So of course, kind of a prime time. And that's why right now the team is focusing on cleaning up the database, on optimizing so that this downline every day to sync the database is much shorter. Big focus on this. And then in development for April, brand new My Balances page, extremely important for us to allow to then release the credit card. That's the step 1. Step 1 is the balances page. Step 2, actually, that's going to be, and also with the balances, we are going to introduce a new package purchase process as well. And then the credit card will kick in. And then the first version of the staking, we're going to keep the first version very simple because we want this out as soon as possible. We're getting too many messages right now about this. So we just want this staking thing out. That's why the first version is going to be pretty limited in terms of how it's going to look like. But we already have the next one with full features, full history, compounding, all the crazy stuff. Now, the existing offer, Andreas will be highlighting and just talking about this stuff again on Monday, but I want to be sure that the message is sent, that you all get it and you can act on it, send messages to your team, to your prospects already today. So the existing offer stays until the end of March. We've been having a lot of discussions to do with credits and tokens, how big those decreases are supposed to be, how often. We know we've not really been communicating that too well, but that's because we just had so many internal discussions about this. And people kind of sitting in different camps, and just yeah, some discussions were a little bit heated, but we came to the agreement finally. We're going to make sure that, and we now have this, we have the roadmap for decreases of credits and tokens planned out for the next 6 months. So we've made a massive change, massive improvement and progress these past few days. Now, the new structure of those decreases is that we're going to be changing the number of credits and tokens in each package on the 1st and the 15th of every month. So twice per month, straight away. There's not going to be any guesswork. You're not going to be wondering, is it going to happen? Is it not going to happen? On the 1st and on the 15th, this will all be pre-programmed well in advance, and that will be executed. Now, I've been kind of, because I wanted to leave it to Andreas for Monday, and I will in kind of most parts, but I don't want anybody to wait because it's such a massive thing that I wanted to share it. I just couldn't hold it back. We've got a massive promotion, and that starts today. Every single time when you sell 100 super wallets, starter or business packages, doesn't matter, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,500 super wallets, you will receive additional tokens as a bonus for that sale. And I'm not allowed, I may have already shared too much, but I cannot say anymore. Andreas will explain this properly on Monday at 4 o'clock. So he's going to top it up, but I'm telling you right now, this is live today. So whatever sale you make, you will get additional tokens, you as the sponsor, for that sale. And that's not it. There's way more. There's way more coming on Monday, but I could not push any further because I don't want to steal Andreas's thunder. But that's a massive promotion. That's just one of the things that we put together for you for now, but there's more coming. That's it from me. Over to you, Steve.
Yeah, fantastic. I don't know. I think everybody, listen, guys, I'm sure like Adam, Samantha, myself, and we're just going, you've got to be kidding me. All right, so we've got some great folks. Arthur, while you were doing that segment, NK, I believe he's in Africa, did the swap. He says, simple, already done. He's already did it while we were doing this update. Fantastic job out there. And then with the promotion, guys, if you understand about the tokenomics that you're going to hear on Monday, I'm not an expert in that from the model of Super One. You'll see that, though. That'll be in relationship. So that's not only a benefit for you, but as you're onboarding new people into your business, it's happening today, guys. We're live with so many features, facets into your business. Plug into the live broadcast, all the details that we have every single day. Now, listen, we got some amazing countries opening up that are really driving some excitement here at Super One. As you're onboarding our pre-package. What I mean by pre-package, it's not a pre-launch, guys. It's a pre-package. We're already paying out up to 70%. You think about our company, guys. We're spending a lot of money behind the scenes for the future. Adam knows this. He set up major companies, operated major structures. He knows what it takes to drive this kind of revenue to where we're going. But can you imagine, guys? Think about the branding point of Super.One. Cool name, first of all. Secondly, then you've got the game element. Now, listen, our dashboard, and I'm not going to say stuff's coming, guys. I'm just telling you, there's going to be so many things to do in Super One besides just playing the game. Your fans, when you're ready to bring your fans in, just remember that, folks. You're right now building your network community. When your fans come in, you're going to have fans communicating with other fans all over the world. We create fans, family, fortune, all of that together here at Super One. I mean, how much more exciting do you want it to be? How simple it is for you to onboard a package, refer somebody, send them your referral link, and build a business. You don't want to do what Arthur's doing or Adam's doing. I promise you. You don't, guys. They want to be out in the field like us. I guarantee it. But because of their expertise, because of all this stuff, and I guarantee it, there's a lot of mechanics. Yeah, I can see that Arthur's losing some hair right now because of things that are going on. But listen, guys, I'm serious. It's an exciting business, right? And all the things that Adam will highlight and finish things up and wrap things up. It's important to understand excitingwebinars.com. It is our foundation. Some people say, well, Zooms aren't everything. Guys, when our app is 24/7, 365, we'll be live. But this is our way we're communicating for people around the world that can't get out, that can't do a face-to-face, can't do a knee-to-knee, belly-to-belly. They're not interacting that way. So think about our pandemic relationship This is the best way right now to communicate with people around the world. As things open up, yes, we'll have that. Could you imagine what it's going to be like when we go to our first Super One event together, wherever that may be, Norway, Germany, of course, UK, wherever, guys? How exciting it's going to be to see all of our faces in real time, handshaking, elbow button, whatever you want to do, out there, high-fiving each other, Director 5K, 10K, 100K, legends that'll be there going, man, this is so much bigger than I thought it was. That's what you've got to realize. And it's having a little bit of vision, guys. It really is. It's having vision. Maybe you've never done this before. You never built something from scratch before. And it's all new to you. But just realize you're an integral part to our family of business here at Super One.